Hey boo, what's up? I'm at the store and I really need to make this video because some of y'all don't know. I just saw someone buy a bunch of these strawberries and I had to put her on. Okay, so first of all, these look amazing. Yes, they look amazing. They're not organic, so I wouldn't buy them. But the number one thing you need to know about strawberries and most fruit is that it has to smell. So even though these look amazing, I guarantee you they're gonna taste like nothing because they don't smell. Smell that. They don't smell at all. I know y'all took a deep breath. They do not smell. So they are not ripe. Understand that right now, okay? Strawberries must smell. A lot of these fruits in the store must smell before they are ready to eat. Cantaloupe, honeydew, apricot, oranges, limes, lemons, pineapple, mango, apples, bananas. Ooh, these look good. Okay, so I already bought a lot of stuff for the week. I'm gonna try my best to make some videos with Awa's mom. She's here from France. She doesn't speak any English, so that'll be interesting. I'm just getting a few odds and ends here. I got some purslane. This is my favorite green of all time. You can only find it in, like ethnic markets, okay? So you're not going to find it in fucking Whole Foods. I'm going to wait on the durian. I'm not going to open